Hi family, hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Just want to quickly share with you what I found at Pop Shelf the other day, yesterday. If you're like me, I'm in love with the bee themes, and I have gone to 6 or 7 Dollar Trees looking for their bee plates in the last week, and I can't find them. So when I went into Pop Shelf, they already have their bee stuff out. So I got this platter here for $3, and these plates, these honeycomb plates, they're all $1. And these little plates here, little lunch plates, they're all $1. They are 8-inch plates with the bee theme. They have the honeycomb bowl. And then these napkins are $1. And these cups here, they're $1. And that was the big draw. When I went to Dollar Tree, that's what made me a Dollar Tree lover, because I love dishes, and that's what this, and tabletop and tablescapes, and that's what this channel was founded on. And I can always get some very good quality dinnerware at Dollar Tree, but now that it's $1.25, it's hard to find it. So I was excited to see these and still able to get something on trend and have fun with it, have a fun pattern for $1. And so, me, I like things $1 or less that are very useful. I really love the pattern that their Dollar Tree bee collection. I love the pattern a lot better, and I like their towels, but I just can't go. I can't, gas as high as it is, I just can't keep running around all these stores with a mask on, people shooting up stores and everything. I just can't keep running around to all these stores looking for some bee plates. So when I saw these, I'm like, okay, I'm getting them. They're cute. And they're plastic though, so they'll be good for fun in the sun, lunch outside on the patio. The Dollar Tree ones are ceramic. I prefer ceramic, but these are fine. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let's see. Everything's $1. Then you want to add some napkins. And here's a bee themed napkins here. And this, without the napkins, is like $19. So I think that's cute to get a platter, 4 plates, lunch plate, bowl, and cups nowadays, and something on trend. So I'm not sure if Pop Shelf is all over the country. I know they're in the South, like in Georgia, some parts of Florida and North Carolina. In the Carolinas, they may be coming to a spot near you, but they have a lot of dollar stuff, a lot. And then they may go up to $3, $5. I've really never really seen anything over $5 in there. I'm sure they have a few items, but mostly $1 to $3 stuff. Okay, guys, so just wanted to share that with you. These are cute, and this is an alternative. And if you're like me, just tired of running around to all these different Dollar Trees and they're not in stock yet, I'm sure they're coming soon. But, I'm not going to keep checking for them now that I saw these. All right, guys, thanks so much. See you in my next video. And like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, thank you guys. Bye, Mom.